Good morning. My name is Don, and I am working on your MLS listing. I appreciate your business very much, and I have opened a file for your listing. Just wanted to give you a quick reminder of looks like about four things that I need to get before I can start working on it. And you may or may not have already sent these to me. I don't know at this point. This is for everybody. One is permission to put it in the MLS since we don't use a standard listing. Be sure to sign it and put the amount of commission that you're willing to pay a buyer's agent if we involve a buyer's agent. Two, the data sheet. A data sheet, if you're in Nashville, I need a data sheet, real tracks for Middle Tennessee. Uh, I need a data sheet for Knoxville, for Memphis, for Chattanooga, wherever you are. Three, I need your pictures. Go ahead and upload them to the website where you started this. The MLSdon.com website will be fine. If you need to send them to me on an email, pictures need to be JPEG in format, and all of our documents need to be PDF in format. The fourth thing that you need to do is to join into our community email list. There's a link on there for you to be able to do that. Only then will I be able to get started on your listing. I can't get started on it before I've got all that, because if I do and then something happens and one of them gets held up, then my whole process gets held up and I can't do that. I tell people on the website, give me 24 to 48 business hours once I get everything, and I'll have you up and active. When you get active, I'll send you a PDF of what the realtors see of your listing for you to check behind me. That's 24 to 48. That's a day or even 2 days business hours. Our office is open from 8 to 5 every weekday. So keep that in mind too. If you send me something on a weekend, I'm probably not going to get started on it until Monday. So just keep that in mind. Just a quick video to help you know that there's the four things that I need from you in order to get started on your listing: the permission to MLS, the data sheet for your particular geographic part of the state, your pictures, and for you to sign on to the community mailing list. That's it. We'll talk later. Give me a call, 973-8970, area code 615. Give me a call if you've got any questions. I am here. I love to answer questions. We're here from, like I say, from 8 to 5, Monday through Friday. So give me a shout and I will be happy to answer your questions. Thanks. Bye.